Had a fender bender with my 2015 Equinox, destroyed parts of the front end. The license plate got smashed, and so did the license plate bracket. So I bought this aftermarket replacement, and a lot of times aftermarket parts just aren't very well made, but in this case, this is really a good one. I would not spend the full price amount from General Motors for a replacement part. I would go with this aftermarket component. This one's made in Taiwan. It's got the exact same design, and it's very specific to the 2010 through 2015 Equinox. This is not a generic license plate holder. This is specific to that vehicle year group. And what you've got is a tab on both sides here to set the license plate in, and then 2 screws at the top to nail it down. Same bolt hole locations as the original. And it's even got the taper that the Equinox has from those years, so that it fits just right, just like it's from the factory. This is made in Taiwan, stamped here on the back. And a lot of the parts coming out of Taiwan, the plastics just feel better to me than a lot of the stuff out of China. I just like the way this one feels. It feels like it's factory OEM and probably is better or the same quality. It's got that nice lip around the edge of it here where the license plate will sit into that lip all the way around and hold it in and look really fine when it's all put together. So, hey, I hope if you're considering aftermarket parts, you don't have to worry with this one. This is a good replacement. Hope the video was helpful. Have a great day.